Before I got my pop-on Veneers, my confidence level was gone, shot. I've always been, out and about in the public, worked in the bar restaurant business. My confidence was just terrible. But then I got these pop-on Veneers, and you know what? It's back. Confidence is back. Feel good about myself. It was an easy process. Came in the mail, did my molds, sent them in. Within 3 weeks after I sent the molds in, they were back. I was a little nervous at first how people were gonna react, but I've got nothing but compliments. I feel good about myself, and honestly, this has been a life changer. 100%. These pop-on Veneers have made my life 100% back to normal and back to thriving, confidence. Family, friends, everybody just says how great they are, how great they look, they feel great. I forgot they were in my mouth. I don't even remember putting them in this morning because you know what? Pop-on Veneers, perfection.